Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is an at-home day. Well, I can kind of stay at home. I have an errand to run and a doctor's appointment, so I gotta get ready for that. So I thought I'd bring you guys along and get ready with me. So clean face. Just gonna get through this really fast because I know those really long videos are, they're really long videos. So we're gonna try to zip through this. Nothing major today. Like I said, just running errands, a couple errands, and maybe grocery store after the doctor's office because we need a few things. This was just the Clinique, and I have really been loving the e.l.f. Pore Toner Balm and the Prep and Hydrate Balm. I've been switching back and forth between these two, and today I think I will use the Pore Toner, and I really kind of concentrate it right in here where I do have the most issues, and then just kind of do that kind of swirly swirl, and then I'll just take my fingertips and just kind of smooth it out, and that's it. That's it. All right, for foundation today, I think I'm going to take the CC Cream. I'm just going to do like one little, like I said, one little pump. That wasn't even a full pump. And I'm going to take the L'Oreal Age Perfect BB and just give it a little extra there. I'm going to take a makeup brush and just mix these two together. The back of my hand and whatever's on that brush. We'll just go ahead and wipe it on my face. Alright, here we go. And like I said, nothing major today. I just wanted to kind of shear it down. I like the CC Cream, but to me it's a little too heavy application compared to, what I like. And I have a little Kleenex here. I do have a little piece of Kleenex. Just to clean that off the back of my hand, and we're just going to kind of, this is not even like a full coverage application. This is just laying down a little bit of cover. That's all it is. If I feel like I need more, I can always add more, but once you have like too much, it's hard to take it off. You know what I'm saying? And guys, the less makeup you can wear, seriously, the less makeup you can put on your face, the better your skin will be. I mean, that's just how it is. The less you can do, the better your skin in the long run is going to be. Like I said, I'm 46. It took me to about 30s, mid-30s to really stop kind of getting like bad breakouts, especially hormonal breakouts. And now I'm at 46, and I still occasionally get a pimple, and it's usually a hormonal breakout, but it's like maybe one pimple, that's it, not like a full breakout. So any of you young girls that are watching, younger ladies that are watching, and I know that kind of goes against everything YouTube and Instagram is telling you right now, but honestly, my skin, you can see it. It's very minimal product. The less you can put on your face, the better your skin will be in the long run. I'm telling you from experience. Alright, I'm just going to take my Wet n Wild Photo Focus. It's sitting right here in front of me. And big brush. Just a big powder brush. Oh, that little bit of concealer I used was the Fit Me concealer. And there's not much been going on, just work. I have a doctor's appointment today. It's just a checkup, nothing major, just like a 6-month checkup. Just where they go in, how you been doing, is your medication still doing okay, here's your new prescriptions, your refills, I should say. And I'm going to get in my use-up drawer. We do need to redo my use-up drawer. That video may come. I may do it later this afternoon when I get back. This is the Milani XL that I love. just going, you know, the perimeter of your face, around the jawline. I cannot wait to get weighed. I know that's usually like the worst thing anybody wants. But I can't, seriously, I cannot wait to get weighed at my doctor's office and be like, nah, 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 nah. You said I needed to lose weight. Or she never really said I needed to lose weight, but she said I needed to lose weight. You know what I'm saying? She's like, Shannon, you have got to lose weight. No, it was like, you could benefit from losing X amount of pounds. And when you say that to a person that is overweight, you're not telling us something we don't know. I mean, you know what I'm saying? You're not telling me something I don't know. I know I need to lose weight. It's very hard. It's always been very hard for me to lose weight. Once I hit puberty, the weight just started coming on. And I want to do a whole video on this at some point in time. As a person who has I don't want to say I have a food addiction, but I turn to food for comfort. I turn to food when I'm bored. I turn to food, you know, for like celebration, because you know you always have food when you're celebrating something, so there's always food, and it's just always, you know, something that you kind of turn to. Where I know some people turn to drugs, some people turn to alcohol, some people turn to shopping, some food. I mean, you know, and it's that way for a lot of people, and I'm trying to break that. I really am. And I eat a lot out of boredom, just pure boredom. I have nothing to do, so let's eat. Or, you know, I'm upset, so let's eat. And I think I want to do like a whole video on that at some point in time. Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, I do get weighed today, and it should be right at 35 pounds, or right around 35 pounds. And I had gained a few pounds back because I was being slack. I mean, I still eat what I want to eat, pretty much. If I want pizza, I eat pizza. I just don't eat the whole pizza. I eat a couple slices of pizza. If I want a piece of cake, I eat a piece of cake. I just don't eat half the cake. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of like that. When I was younger, I could sit down and eat, you know, half a cake and a half a bucket of ice cream. It was nothing to me because, you know, that was what I turned to when I was upset, or when, you know, just whatever, I would turn to food. And I'm trying to get away from that. I'm trying my best not to. I tell myself, you're not hungry. Why are you eating this? Why are you reaching for that? You know, there's some days when I just want a snack, and I know you guys have probably done it too. You want something, but you don't know what you want, so you snack on this, that ain't it. You snack on that, that ain't it. And you keep snacking, and you never find what it is you're really wanting. And by then, you know, you eat 5, 6 things, and you've still not figured out what the heck it is you want. Try not to do that either. I put all my brushes up, so I'm just grabbing a few out. But yeah, that's just kind of how, if you've ever had food issues, you understand what I'm saying. This was the Dream Street palette, by the way. Dream Street. And I just used that really light peachy shade. And I'm wearing kind of a burgundy rosy color today. I think I'm going to go into this shade. And this is that little brush from the Profusion little set I got. It's a really good little brush, actually. But yeah, let me know what your thoughts is on that. If you'd like to see maybe a more in-depth video. I need to get back in the gym. I really do. Just to kind of tone and tighten some things up and put on a little bit of muscle instead. I did use my weights today. I have weights at home. I do use them. My arms are looking, I mean, if you see that, they're toning up. The biceps are, it's that right there. This is years and years of lose weight, gain weight, lose weight, gain weight, lose weight, gain weight. And now that I am pushing 50, your skin does not go back like it used to. Another little heads up there for you ladies. Skin does not bounce back like it used to. So, you know, just trying to work on that. Biceps are toning up very good. It's the underarm, and there's some exercises that are for your back here, and I'm going to have to really start kind of focusing on that and less on, because my biceps are doing good. They're doing good. I'm going to come in with this shade. I've not really hardly even touched into this shade. And just kind of put a little bit out here. And this is another little brush that came with a set. It's a good little brush, so I just grabbed it. But yeah, and I need to start getting my butt back in the gym. I had gotten up to, but this was when I was working part-time, guys. You got to think about that. I was working part-time, and I had extra time, and I had extra energy. I gotten up to 13 miles on the exercise bike, on the stationary bike. 13 miles. It's like an hour and a half or something like that. I can't remember how long it took me to do the 13 miles. But yeah, I'd gotten up to 13 miles on the bike. Just pulling this up a little bit just to brighten that. And, I mean, weight was coming off the end too. So I think that's all I'm really going to do. Maybe for the eyes, you think I need to go a little bit darker? Just a touch into this brown right here. Just a touch. Yeah, I can't wait to weigh today. I want to see on her scale, because I know everybody's scales is different. My scales, when I started, I was at 247. I know I've said that before. And today I weighed 213.4. So right around 30 plus pounds. The other day it did say 2.12 something. But like I said, I fluctuate 2 to 3 pounds. Some of it's got to do with water. Some of it's got to do with you voided your, your system out. All that good stuff plays in. All right, I'm just going to grab the NYX Away We Glow. This came from the wonderful Susan, and I love it. I stay kind of over here on this side for the blush. Just like so. And let me see if I can find my highlight brush. And if you want to grab this little bit right here for some highlights. Just a little bit of something there. So it does give you a little bit of glow. Nothing else really going on. This is the Mega Length from Wet Wild. Guys, this is actually a really, really, really good mascara. I want to do kind of a full review on this. But it for, I think it was like $3 and change, just a little under $4. It's a really good mascara. I mean, just for everyday mascara. I don't know about the claims of it adds 80% or 80 something % length to your lashes. I don't think that. I don't see it, but it does give some good thickness, some good color, and I'm trying not to touch my eyelid because I'm bad on this side to touch that very inner corner with this teeny tiny little brush. And I'm trying not to jab myself in the eye because you guys know I jab myself in the eye. And that's because I wear glasses and I'm trying to see that mirror over there and still do this without making all kinds of faces and still get my mascara on and, you know, all that good fun stuff. And I just got it on my nails and it messed up my nail polish. Yay. Oh, I thought they were dry. Darn it. All right, let me look. Yeah. That's not, I mean, that's not bad. Let's do some brows really fast. Maybe. When that mascara's drying, just comb them. Do I want to just leave them combed or do I want to do something actually with them? This is the Define a Brow by Maybelline. I'm just going to do exactly what it says in Define a Brow. That's it. I mean, you guys know. My grandmother claimed that we had Russian ancestry on her side, so maybe that's a Russian trait, those eyebrows. I don't know. So shoot, I messed up my nail polish. I'm not gigging you, but that's the finger that messed up. We had, oh yeah. I still have my makeup bag behind me from the video. I want to use this Pure Leys. This was a daily lip nourishing nourisher with mango and shea butter. This came in, oh, there we go, that Allure beauty box, because my lips are chapped. Doesn't taste bad. You can kind of taste the ointment-y kind of ointmenty. And will this be too pink? I think it will be, but that's the Anastasia. Oh man, I could have used that. So I'm gonna grab all right, this is the Stay Matte, but it's not gonna stay matte because I just put on that lip treatment. I just want to give a little bit of color, so I'm just gonna put a little bit on the bottom of my lip. Take that down in my bag there and just spread it around just to give it a little bit of a tint. There's my little Dooney and Burke makeup bag. I forgot to show you, if you can see it, it does say Dooney and Burke up through here on the sides. I don't know, but it says it right there. It says Dooney and Burke. I'm so glad to catch that one on clearance at work, but I think we're pretty much done. Yeah, maybe some eyeliner, maybe not. What have I got here? Oh, the It No Tug. This is one of my favorite ones. When I do use an eyeliner, I'm just going to put a little bit. If I can be still. Back of that corner. And I added just a little bit. Needed to get it warmed up to my skin. It did not want to glide very well, and it usually glides super well. That's why I like that one. I didn't put anything under my eyeline, guys. What is up with that? Let's grab a little palette back real fast and pencil brush. Come in with that peach. And then the next brown. And then just a touch that dark brown. And I think that's it. I think that's all we're going to do. I'm not even going to put black liner under there. Let me see. I think we're okay. Alright guys, let's go run some errands. I need my watch because I got to have on a watch. I feel lost without a watch. Does anybody else feel lost without their watch? But that is it for today. We may come back and do a what's in my bag because I changed out my purse, and we may do a redo of my monthly drawer because it needs to be changed out and some new stuff put in. Alright guys, that is it. I hope you guys have a wonderful afternoon. Don't forget that 500 giveaway is coming up later this week. I'll catch you guys on the next one.